This is the Luck of the Irish slot machine game. It's a toy replica. Here I put in some money and I'm going to pull the handle. Just going to see if we win. You need to get 777 or Luck of the Irish icon to win. So there's a problem with this slot machine. It will pay out. When it pays out, sometimes it pays out very slow, or sometimes the payout is, as you will see here now, it's very slow, or sometimes the light doesn't actually show on the top. It's supposed to have a ringing sound. The light's supposed to be flashing for a payout, but it's not showing here. The only way you can kind of let it show now is that you have to press the button underneath here, and it's like a manual button that will turn on the music and the lights. So I'm just going to give it a press in a second, and you'll see the lights on top. I'm going to attempt to fix this so it doesn't have this problem again. So what you do is take some of the stickers off the back of the holes there, and then you unscrew it, and this is what it looks like inside. You can see where the light is hooked up to the speaker there, where the noise makes some of the ringing sounds, and here are the wheels. It's all plastic construction, it's all mechanical, no batteries required except for the noise and the lights. And just gonna investigate this and see where I can fix this. Here in slow motion, where there's a W there, it's a wedge that when you get 3 wheels that are winners, the wedge will slowly go through and trip a switch to signify that you're a winner. Now I'm thinking that this wedge needs oiling because it's so slow, and there's not enough tension. So I oiled the left hinge, and I also oiled the right hinge, and also the wedges in between the wheels so that they can go into the slots more easier when there is a winning. So I put everything back together again, and I'm going to give it a try. And I got some winnings, and it comes up much faster than before, and you can also hear the musical alarm and the lights. Only if life was this easy to get money anytime you pull the switch.